Hi guys, thanks for joining me once again. You are watching Kitchen Romance, brought to you by Married with a Life. Today I'm going to be taking you through how I prepared this delicious meal. I will first take you through the process of making this lovely plantain kebab. And then in my next video, I will show you how I made this. So this is literally plantain burger. So let me take you through the process. These are the ingredients I'll be using for my plantain kebab. I'll start off with marinating minced beef. Okay, so I'll use 2 tablespoons of my spices, and then again my thyme, that's about 1 teaspoon, and then this is chili flakes. Just a little. Next thing is I'm going to chop these onions and put them in. So next thing is to add it. Literally mix everything together. This is all mixed up. Next I will add 1 beef stock cube. And this is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I will then mix everything together. I'll put them in the shape that I want. It's actually better doing this with bare hands. It's quicker and smoother. So if you're going to do this at home, make sure your hands are clean before you do it. Okay, so this is all now done. Next thing is to work on the plantain. This is a bit of work, but it's a Saturday and I normally like to make special dishes on the weekend that we are not going anywhere, so it's worth the effort. Okay, so literally this is what I'll be doing. Get it as thin as I can. Okay, get it as thin. Do the same. You need a sharp knife, and ideally the plantain should be more softer as well. Right. So this is my kebab stick. I've got my vegetables ready as well. That's cucumber, yellow bell peppers, and plum tomatoes. Okay, so and then okay. Okay. Yep. And then we use another one. Okay. And the next thing I'll do is to literally wrap the plantain around it. This is really sensitive. Okay. Okay, the second one is becoming tricky. Okay, so you get the idea, right? Literally, it needs to be wrapped around it. Okay, so this is where we are. To help me hold the plantain together, I still have the kebab stick. I'm literally going to use the tip of it. Yeah, I just break the tip. Yeah, ideally I should have something very small to be able to hold it. Okay, so just put it in like that. Our plantain kebab ready to go into the oven. I've preheated the oven for about 10 minutes. I have some leftovers from the plantain kebab. So whilst the plantain kebab is in the oven, let me just make good use of this. This is really awesome. I'm impressed with myself. I didn't expect it to come out this way. Okay, so thank God my effort has not been wasted. Lovely, lovely, isn't it? Okay, we're going to have this for lunch. I hope I've provided you with your complete meal. This is grated carrot. If you had the option to choose one of these for lunch, which one would you go for? Please leave it in the comment and give me your reasons. And remember, I'll be posting a video of how I made this plantain burger. Please subscribe to this channel, Married with a Life, if you are watching from my YouTube channel. Please, Amewowor, also subscribe there. This video will also be going to my new channel specifically for cooking, and that will be Kitchen Romance on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you all. Don't forget to click on the notifications bell for updates on our new videos, and share this, especially if you know a couple who recently got married. Share this video with them to help us continue equipping our married couples and singles for purpose and better marriage. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.